Welcome to this channel once again today. In this video, we want to solve two important n-to-root equation, which we can also call exponential equation. So to solve 5x to the third power equals to 320, we will divide through by 5 first. When we divide by 5, we have x to the third power equals to 64. And the reason why it is nth root equation is that we're going to take the third root, which is called cube root of both sides. That is the cube root of x to the third power and the cube root of 64, which is on the right hand side. The cube root of x cubed being opposite cancel out to give us x equals to 4, which is the cube root of 64. Perhaps you're yet to subscribe to this channel. Please do so right now and click on the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any update from this channel. We then move over to the second nth root equation. The first step we take here in the second nth root equation is to divide both sides by 2, or we can say multiply both sides by half. When we do multiply by half, we are going to be left with r to the power of -5, and on the right hand side it is 243 over 32. R to the power of -5, that's a negative exponent. It becomes 1 over r to the power of 5, and on the right we have 243 still over 32. Then we take the reciprocal of both sides. When we take the reciprocals, we have r to the 5th power equals to 32 over 243, after which we take the 5th root of both sides. That's the 5th root of r to the 5th power and the 5th root of 32 over 243. And taking the 5th root of r to the 5th power gives r, and the 5th root of 32 is 2, and the 5th root of 243 is 3. So r has the value 2 over 3. I believe you enjoyed the tutorial today. Like the video and share it. Do not forget to subscribe if you are yet to do so, and click the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any update from this channel. Thank you for watching.